Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete all the events from iPhone calendar. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead and open our calendar. So as you can see, this is the calendar for June. So if I see currently there are no events, but there is an event for this 8th June. As you can see, it's a work and it's an all-day event right over here. So if you would like to remove this particular event, what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on your event, and then you will be able to see this settings, right? So what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this delete event, which will be shown down below. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you'll again confirm delete event over here. As you can see, now that particular event from this 8th June is gone. But there is one thing that you guys have to always make sure is, for example, if there are some holidays detected by calendar and are saved over here, you cannot delete them. You can delete all the events that you have created on your own there in your calendar. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. If you got more concerns, to let them in the comments below. And yes, I'll see you guys next time.